I'm coming on to like that 30 mark right now, like in terms of trading profits for the month. My $2,000 a day for 20 days, I can make like 40K a month. Crazy. I'm only 22 years old, didn't go to college. I'm making more money than a lot of people, and I know I'm still not even making that much money. Because I'm not trading today. I'm already up $4,000 for the week with the last 2 trading days. I don't care to take a trade today. Breaking even. That's TP1, break even. Send that, if you took it with that trade, send it in the chat, bro, if you got funded. Practice makes improvement. The same trade that I called for them today is the same trade idea that I took the last 2 days that made me $4,000. You're not gonna have the same confidence as me as someone that's seen the same shit happen. I've seen it happen 3 times this week. It's okay, there's gonna be another opportunity. Don't get greedy, don't get fear of missing out.
No expectations when you're trading with anything. Make it happen.
All right, good morning, everybody. Welcome back. I am honestly not gonna lie to y'all. I'm in between setting up my charts and everything, and I'm in between leaving because I'm not trading today. I'm already up $4,000 for the week with the last 2 trading days. I don't care to take a trade today. Genuinely don't. Today's my off day when it comes to trading. I'm thinking I might go to the water or something. But these dogs, why y'all looking like this? You good? What about you? You good? Oh, okay. But yeah, I think they're good. But like I said, off day. But we still got a lot of work to do today. Do I have one-on-ones? I just got off a one-on-one at 9 a.m. I didn't record that one just because I didn't really feel like it. But I got off a one-on-one. If you want to work with me one-on-one, the link's down below and all that. I don't think I have any more today, but I do got to go to the gym, Instagram Live, get more content created. Just a normal day. No trade, so it's going to be a little bit smoother. And like I said, I don't know if I'm going to sit here for a little bit, but it is 9:20, so I might hop on the charts for a couple seconds and then hop up out of here. From the way it looks like it wants to retrace a little bit and then go higher, especially since it didn't run that previous high. I'm thinking it'll retrace to like 42,900. Something like that. I'm not trading today, but I'll hop on paper trade with y'all. You know what I'm saying? No, yeah, I think if it retraces a little bit lower, I'll give it a nice little move. All right, I'm getting my trade right here for 50 points. Nah, but it's at the area. I mean, it's 2 minutes into it. That's where I'm looking at it. If it drops 50 points, I'm just wrong. But regardless, like, I don't think that 2 minutes gonna do, you know what I'm saying? Nah, y'all, we'll see. Hey, the trade gonna be the trade. That's where I look at the market gonna be the market. Time is cool, but 2 minutes ain't gonna change that much. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna be wrong. What's good? Well, we going up. Hey, I'm telling y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Break even. That's TP1, break even. What'd I tell y'all? Hey, that's all you needed. That's all you needed. Oh, yeah, there you go. That's break even on the trade idea for y'all. I should have took that on my live account, but you know what? We have rules, I guess. All right, break even. I said break even hit. Break even. Nah, I don't even care. Fuck, after doing that, it better go up. If it go down, it start moving shiesty. But it looks good. I just need this previous high. Once that previous high get hit or anybody in that trade, that's where you should get the fuck out. Send that, if you took it with that trade, send it in the chat, bro, if you got funded. Because I ain't get shit from this, so I'm going to get you. Yeah, I'm going to get you, though. All right, not going to lie to y'all, that was a banger trade. Banger trade. I didn't leave, and I'm kind of glad I didn't leave because if I would have left, I probably wouldn't have been able to call the trade for everybody on the team. Amazing trade. That trade went to like TP5 before it started to like retrace. I got rid of all the charts and everything. But if I show you like the screenshots I was sending to the team, like I'll just show you everything from when I called the trade and everything. So you can see right here, this is where I called the trade. This was like when I was waiting for it to retrace, all the before and after the US30 long trade idea. And then I basically right in here going into 9:30. Then when we got the trade on live, we got the TP1 hit, as you guys can see. And then from that, we had got TP2 hit. That's where I ended up closing the paper trade for them. I ended up not taking this on my live account because you guys know my rule. But then over here, you can see that it kept going even higher, kept going even higher. And it was a great day nonetheless. But that is my trading day. No trades, but I did call a trade out for them. Practice makes improvement. The same trade that I called for them today is the same trade idea that I took the last 2 days that made me $4,000. I could have made another $2,000 if I would have been risking $1,000. I could have maybe even made 3, 4, 5. It's okay. There's going to be another opportunity. Don't get greedy. Don't get fear of missing out because there's going to be another opportunity. You just got to be in the game to be able to do it. I could have made money. I could have lost money. So I'm just happy to be in the game. Still a W week, but the week isn't over. Let's get some work done. I got a lot of things I got to get done today. So let's get straight to it. So earlier, I did say I didn't have a one-on-one, but I actually do have a one-on-one with Travis. He is someone that he just had a lot going on inside of life, and we just haven't been able to get his call. But now it's about that time. So from the call, I just got done editing, and I'm posting the vlog and everything that from the day before. Be about to call Travis, have his one-on-one call. Then from there, I'm gonna head to the gym and get some gym content for y'all. So yeah, I'm about to prop you up probably like right over here or something. Now, let's get to work. Where Travis at?
Yo, what up, though?
What's going on, Birdie? How you doing?
Dang. Yes, sir. Man, I'm good.
Everything happens for a reason. When you're learning with indicators and like stuff like that, EMAs, it's not that it doesn't work, but it's delayed data, and it's also doing something that you should be able to do with your eyes if you have the skill. An indicator is what? Trying to indicate whether something's gonna do something. Why would you need an indicator? Because you can't do it yourself, or you don't know why you're gonna do it. That's what people use indicators for. And so when they sell a course, it kind of just makes it easier. Like, oh, I'm gonna sell this course, now just use this. It's gonna do it for you. When in reality, it's not that easy. If it was that easy, we all would just be using indicators to just make us money all the time. Trust. We all would. You've been trading for a good amount of time. I'll say you consistently trading, you've probably been consistently trading for a good year and a half, somewhere around there, if you said 2023, 2024. So that's a decent amount of time to be trading. Have you been trading anything specific? I'll say definitely, like, if you want to trade like what we trade, for the most part, we're around futures, but price action is going to be price action. That's another thing that I'm going to say. When you can read the market itself, you could trade any crypto, stocks, Forex, futures, because the market is going to be the market regardless. There's certain things that make the market move. And for example, liquidity. Liquidity is very key when it comes to understanding why the market is going places, why it's running certain highs, why it's going to specific lows, why the market is moving. It's all 100% based off liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is orders. Above old highs and lows, people have what? Stop losses, take profits, limit orders, stop orders. Like, there's liquidity everywhere. Now the main thing is understanding where the high probability liquidity is, and being able to understand that is like what we're gonna go through. Like, so it looks like I lied again. I thought I had one one-on-one call. I have two one-on-one calls. You know, I ain't gonna lie, I thought it was a good idea starting to teach people, but I'm starting to realize that I don't have as much time as I thought I did, you know? But yeah, on to this next call, and I think this is the last one. So Keldrick, let's get to work.
What's good, bro?
What's going on, Birdie? How you doing?
Pretty good. You?
Nah, I'm doing good. You about to go get your cut?
Yes.
Oh yeah, you feeling good right now? It's good drive, good drive.
I'm trying to tell you.
We take ourselves out the game a lot of time, trying to force something, trying to be greedy, trying to make something happen. Like the same setup I took the last 2 days, plus I took the paper trade of it today. I took the same 3 setups 3 days in a row. Lie to you not, I'm kind of sick I didn't take it on my live account today, because I should have ended the week right there. But it's just like, it does the same shit. It does the same shit, but it's just a matter of knowing what to look for. Once you know what to look for, it's way different. Because if you don't know what to look for, it's just like, it's kind of stagnant. But that's why the education and gain experience is just a day-by-day process, because you're not going to have the same confidence as me, as someone that's seen the same shit happen. I've seen it happen 3 times this week. Like, just off that's going to add a different level of confidence, because nobody can teach me seeing something happen real time. Nobody can just give that to me. I got to actually be there and experience it. And once I experience it and get that experience, it's just a different level of confidence that's going to allow me to keep taking the trades. It's going to allow me that when I go through losing streaks, or when I go through like a losing period, I'm not going to try to change my system, change my strategy, because I know it works long term. I got the data to back it up long term. The market keeps on showing me that's working long term. It's just a matter of not getting in my own way. Like you said, the only thing that you could have did differently was get out the trade. I mean, it worked. It was just a matter of something that you could have did. But that's usually what happens. It always comes back to us. The market does the same shit, but it just makes us react differently. It makes us do things differently based off of how it makes us feel. Trying to feel a certain way, trying to chase a certain way, trying to chase a certain account, trying to chase a payout, a winning trade, whatever it is. We're usually trying to chase a certain feeling, or we have a certain expectation that if it doesn't get hit, that's what then leads us on tilt to start doing some dumb shit. Holding the trade longer, all of that. But everything happens for a reason, Birdie. Everything happens for a reason. Officially done with the calls and everything. Now we head to the gym. From 2-3 calls, back to more work. That's what we signed up for.
Yeah.
Right now I'm about to go
pick up this food. I'm about to go pick up this Italian place that I usually get. Let me fix this brightness a little bit. But I'm about to pick up this Italian place that I usually get. I usually get fettuccine Alfredo, but I got a little tired of eating the fettuccine Alfredo. I get it like every time I'm there, and you know, a little bit sick of it. So you know what I did get? I'm getting one of their steaks. I've never tried their steak before. I'm about to try a 10-ounce chimichurri steak, medium for the people that care, and it's also gonna come with a couple other things. But yeah, that's the vibes as of right now. Pretty smooth day. Called the trade out for everybody earlier. Kind of just chilling for the most part after having all those one-on-one calls. I honestly didn't realize I was gonna have that many one-on-one calls, like I told you guys, but it's all good. I got them out the way. So yeah, I was kind of doing the math and everything on like how much I'm making when it comes to trading, because I'm having a pretty good week, and I did the math. If I can average my $2,000 a day for 20 days, I can make like $40K a month. And I was doing the math and everything. Like I'm coming on to like that 30 mark right now, like in terms of trading profits for the month. Hey, look, my car, look at that, it's over there chilling. But yeah, I'm coming up to like 30K a month right now. Like it's peaking it. It's not at it exactly, but if I can end the month off strong, I think we'll definitely be pushing those numbers. Because if I'm averaging like $6,000 on the good weeks, the money's there to be made. It's just a matter of keeping it going. It's just a matter of consistently keeping the profit, because I can make money, right? But if I make $6,000 in a week and then the next week I lose $6,000, that's 2 weeks now where I'm zero for the month. And that happens sometimes. Not saying that you should be losing that much, but you can't control certain things. You can't control how life is gonna be. So it's just how you handle yourself, how you control yourself, and how you learn from the events that you go through. But it's crazy. I'm only 22 years old, didn't go to college, and I'm making more money than a lot of people. And it's crazy for me to say that, because it's like I know I'm still not even making that much money. In the grand scheme of things, like there's levels to this shit. I'm trying to get to like crazy levels. I'm trying to have 100K months, 200K, 300, 500K months. Because even if you do the math, even if you're making 100K a month, you're still only making about 1.2 million a year before taxes, which is not a lot of money. Some of these cars people are buying cost that much. I need you guys to understand that. Put it in perspective, how much money you really need to live these lives that you want. To actually own a yacht, do you know how much money that you have to be making? So much money. So much money. But that's why we're working. That's why we're staying busy. That's why we continue to do the things that will continue to put us in that position. Because everything that I'm doing right now, I could be easily making 100K a month, easy. Just doing everything that I'm doing right now, just scaling a little bit, risking more per trades, winning a little bit more per trades, and then the rest is history. It's all about having a process and system that you can replicate, and that's exactly what I preach to everyone, especially my students. But enough with the yapping. I just got down to the bottom of the garage. I'm about to speed to go get this food. Like I hate Drake, 15,000 for a bag, that's the next day. Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. Well, it's the same video, but welcome back to a new morning. But right now I'm on my way to like drive by this beach, because this is unfortunately going to be the last day that I have with the C63. It was a great car. I loved it. Can't complain. Money well spent. I really just got it for the trip to Miami, so all the time I had it that wasn't in Miami, it was just extra time. It was just wonderful. My girlfriend was able to take my car to work. I haven't needed to take her to work. It's been beautiful. Beautiful. But right now it's 9:26 and I'm stuck in Tampa traffic. It is what it is. I'm up for the week. I'm still not looking to force any trades. I can end the week exactly where I am, and I will be completely content with that. If I can make 4K for every week consistently, that's easily making 16,000 a month, and 16,000 a month pays my bills, pays everything, plus more, plus money to spend, plus more money to get rental cars. So I don't really need to force it. Now, if I make money, if I lose money, it is what it is, but it's all just about probability game, risk management. That's all it is. But I don't want to yap y'all heads off. I'm probably going to join the call pre-9:30 just in case I do see a trade idea, because I do see a possible short idea. The market looks a little choppy, but I do see a possible short idea. But I'll keep you guys updated. We're going to get to this spot, and we're going to have a good day, productive day, and do what we do every single day. Like I said, get a good retracement going into 9:30 to fill in that imbalance, to take price probably to that previous day's low, Eastern session low. That's like a trade I'd be willing to take right now. Look at this dickhead. Get
You're right in front.
Damn, she dropping, she gone.
When I looked at the charts earlier, this shit was consolidating, but 9:30 start hitting. Yeah, like I honestly don't even know what I would want to do. Like it's at the area I would want the shorts, but I don't like shit. It's an interesting day so far. I would have to use a 100-point stop loss easy, because that's what it looks like it would make the most sense to actually be able to stay in the trade and withstand any drawdowns going into 10 o'clock, if there is. But like I said, it's just I don't like how it ran that low, because for all I know, it could just fully reverse up. We're gonna see what we could do first trade of the day. Ideally, just target the low that we were already at, and that'll be my nice little 1 to 2. If this is an L, I take a little L for the day. But see, this trade's looking like drawdown right now. Go to fill that whatever gap. Up in 30, we were doing good. We were doing so good. RIP. Send this to the chat. Yeah, took a nice little L. It's all good. Win some, lose some, miss some. I'll take my little L. I probably won't take any other trades. US 30 did its own little thing to wake me up just to come back into drawdown. No, yeah, and we got Keno as HR too. The HR team's a little sketchy right now, but we'll figure it out. All right. L day. It's all good, you know, I took the chance, I took the opportunity. I was willing to watch NAS for a second trade, but it never retraced, so I just didn't get it. I wasn't gonna chase the market. It already hit the area that I was gonna get out if I would have caught the trade. So you win some, you lose some, you miss some, but just know we on to live another day. We on to trade another day. We still got tomorrow. Tomorrow's the end of the week. It's cool. So I'm probably only up $3,200 for the week right now. I was up $4,200, but after that $1,000 loss, I'm probably up about $3,200. We'll see if I can get a good trade tomorrow. I might be able to be up 5. If I lose another trade, I'll end the week at around 2,200. That's cool. I'll take it. It's not the best, but you know, no risk, no reward. That's just how the game goes. It's a probability game, just so you guys know. I show you guys all the wins, all the losses, just to be transparent, but it's what comes with the game. All right, I'm at the crib and everything. Just fed my dogs and everything, you know. The daily routine, vibes and all that. But right now I'm about to head to the gym. I'm low-key tired. It's hot as shit outside. I'm wearing like some thick-ass clothes and everything. Before I shower, I'm just gonna slide to the gym just so I don't gotta, because I'm already sweating, so I know I'm gonna be sweating at the gym. But yeah, then after I get back from the gym, I do gotta take the AMG 63 back today. I gotta take it back at 1 o'clock. So I probably have maybe 2-3 hours, but I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything else with the car. That's why I wanted to go out to the location earlier with the car, kind of a farewell. But now it's time for me to grind. Like I said, for these next 3 weeks, I'm just completely locked in. I'm not gonna be running no cars. There's no point. I'm gonna stay at the crib. When I am done out of my grind stage again, we'll have a little bit more fun. More than likely just gonna buy a car, but not gonna say anything about that yet. We're just gonna make it happen. No expectations, we're just gonna make it happen. That's the main thing I want you guys to understand. No expectations when you're trading with anything. Make it happen. Actions speak louder than words. Just do it. And just do what? Go to the gym, focus on improving your trading by back testing, forward testing, and being intentional with your journal. Show up every day. Be patient on a daily basis to build patience. Be disciplined on a daily basis. Do things you don't want to do to build discipline, such as going to the gym right now. That's what I'm about to do. So that's what I'm about to bring you with me. So let's have a good day. Let's keep doing the same things that keep us in this position. Fresh out the gym, I feel good. If you don't work out on a daily basis, do it because it's gonna make you feel better. Don't do it because you wanna look jacked. Don't do it because you just wanna get girls or anything. Do it because it's gonna make you feel better and it's gonna make you more disciplined as an individual. I'm not doing it to 100% just be shredded and ripped. That's part of the process and that's gonna be part of the byproduct of working out and eating correctly. But I'm doing it for a lot more than that. I'm building characteristics and traits about myself that is gonna make me a stronger, more disciplined and a more valuable individual that's going to be able to go to the charts and handle the losses accordingly. If you can't have the discipline to go to the gym and put yourself under voluntarily putting yourself under pain, how are you going to voluntarily walk away from a loss? How are you going to voluntarily walk away after making money? You're not going to have the discipline. You're not going to have what's required to be successful long term. Anybody can win one trade. Anybody can get one payout. Can you do it consistently? That's the main thing. But without all the yapping, I'm about to hop on this call with one of my students. About to hop on this one-on-one call. About to give some game. About to get him right. You know the vibes. And then I'm gonna go take a shower. I was gonna hop on the shower, but then I was like, you know what? I'll just hop on the call with him real quick. It's hot as shit today, man. 81 degrees. It's hot as fuck. Yo.
Yo,
What's going on, Birdie?
hear me?
Nah, yeah, I can hear you. You hear me?
All right.
Got most of the stuff done. The live is done, as you guys probably seen in clips and everything. I ended up dropping off the C63 also, and I ended up getting my car cleaned too. I'm about to go pick up my girlfriend because I had to go to her job to pick up the car earlier. Then from picking up the car, I went to get it cleaned. Now I'm here. Now I'm about to go get her, and it is approximately 3:23. Not too late in the day, but we went to the gym and everything too, so pretty successful day, but I'm gonna see when I get down to the car. The one thing I will say about my car that I definitely missed was the peacefulness, was how quiet, calm it is to drive. Whenever I'm in that C63, I just want to go crazy. I don't have the urge to go crazy in this car because of how slow and how it's just not meant to be that type of car. So, that's the one benefit of having this. I get to save a little bit of gas. Is it fun? Not so much. Does it get me where I gotta go? Yeah. So you know what? I'm grateful. Happy to be here. Happy to be alive. Happy to have a Mercedes to begin with. Now, it's not a Lambo. It's not a McLaren. It's not a Rolls Royce, but I am grateful. I'm grateful I can afford this car, living on my own, only at 22 years old, living in downtown Tampa. Just look where I am. Even though I may not have the ideal life that I want, I'm grateful for the life that I do have, and you guys should too. So I'm about to go get my girlfriend and figure out a food situation because I'm hungry as shit. About to head to the mall and then go get some food at her cousin's steak house place, whatever it's called. All right, I'm not sure how long the audio was cooked like that, but we back in action now. And look who I parked next to. I forget what video I was. I think it was the one with Luca. I was recording me walking up just like this. And I was like, every time I could park next to the Lambo, it's gonna get parked next to. But look at these colors. Should I make this the thumbnail today? Yesterday's video did pretty good with this thumbnail. I might just have to, back to back. Why the fuck not? If it ain't broken, don't fix it. With your content and shit, you're trading too. If it ain't broken, don't fix it, young boy. All right, we're back from the mall and everything. I didn't record much, but I did end up getting a couple different things. Not gonna lie, it was a pretty successful mall run. I just turned the light on so you can actually see me. But Jay, if you're watching this, shout out to Jay. I got some shoes from Foot Locker. I got them from my boy. And I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we got on this adventure. Now, first things first, I got a pair of Jordan 3s. The name of them, I'm not sure. But I just do know that I got them because they're black. They're cool. I'm gonna change the laces to all black laces. I don't like the elephant print, but I got these because they're all black shoes. Can't go wrong with all black shoes because I am Batman. So I need all black shoes to match the all black apparel. But speaking of that, this is not mine. This is hers. Got a oversized, that's hers. We both also got a pair of Forces because the Forces I have are indeed not that white no more. Like, look at this. These are so bright that you can barely see them on the camera. Look at that, yeah. But we both got a pair of Forces, so I got 2 pairs of shoes from this mall haul so far. You got her pair of shoes right here. The Forces are identical, so I'm not gonna show those. But then I also got, I'm saying, something cool. I got a pair of black pants. Some cool, some light, nothing crazy. And then I also got this black shirt to go with it. So I got like a nice little fit. Tight shit, tight shit. But yeah, besides that, that's the clothes haul. That was it. Also, besides the dress that she's also wearing. Yeah, she got that also. But now we're about to get ready to go get some food, get some steak, and then the video is gonna be coming to an end, and then I gotta come back and edit it all. Sounds like a fun time, but I'll see you in the next clip, which is probably gonna be like 30 seconds of just the food, And then the video is gonna come to an end. So yeah, that's that.
All right, we eating that good steak. I'm about to go crazy.
All right, team, I told y'all the vibes. I gave y'all the little dinner clip and everything, and now the video is gonna be coming to an end. I put the fit on. How y'all feel about the fit? New shoes, new pants, new shirt. It's a cool, calm little fit. Just go get some steak dinner. Basically, bought the fit to go eat. Fuck it. Man, feel good out, but y'all be safe. Enjoy y'all night. There's a new car over here. G-Wagon G63. Motivation every time I come into this damn garage, bro. Like I was gonna say, if you guys wanna work with me one-on-one to level up your trading, make your first 5 figures when it comes to trading, work with me one-on-one. First link in the description. If you want the free trading training, second link in the description. Stay safe, stay productive. I'm gonna see you tomorrow's video.